Hello friends, welcome to Ujjwal Cooking Show. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please click the red subscribe button below for subscribing the channel and bell icon for further notifications. Today let's do a instant jowar thali plate which is done with the leftover rice at our home. I have this much of rice today which is left. So let's mash it before we start the recipe. We have to mash it nicely with our hands. Then for this mashed rice I am putting the finely chopped onion. This is one medium onion. Let's put that onions. Now next goes some curry leaves. These are also finely chopped. See to it the items are finely chopped. Then goes green chilies. If you want to grind the rice, you can always grind it. Since it's quick and instant, I am mashing it. Now I am putting some coriander leaves. That's also finely chopped, and mix them all together with the rice. If you want the chilies should not come in the bites, you can always mixy them as well. I am putting some salt. Around 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt. Adjust your taste. Now again mix it well. Now for this I am adding jowar flour. Since I have more rice today, the quantity is more. If you have only 1 cup also, you can do this recipe which makes you instantly like 4 thali plates or the rotis. Now I am mixing little water at a time to bind them all together. Usually you don't need more water because rice already has some water in it. Now the dough is ready. Now let's make the thali plates or the rotis. You can always put many veggies as well in that. For this I am going to tap it on this sheet. This is a poly sheet. If you don't have that, you can do it on a plastic cover. This is the normal Annapurna or Ashirwad, the wheat flour cover. On that, let's take some oil in our hands and take the dough in our hands so that it doesn't stick to our hands. Make a lemon size ball out of it and see, it's ready now. Now keep it on the plastic cover. Before that, just spread some oil and press it nicely. Go on tapping it. If you are doing it for the first time, don't try to do it very thin. Let it be little bit thick so that it will be easy to handle when you are removing it from the plastic cover. Now it's ready. Now if you are having such presser, is a presser which is very handy and useful for such thali plates or rotis or puris. You can use it that way too. Now I am taking it tawa and put some oil and take it out like this and put it on the tawa and cook it nicely. It takes around 1 minute to cook. If you have such lid, you can just cover it. Otherwise, it's okay if you don't want to cover it also. After 1 minute, remove it and now put some half teaspoon of oil. Oil is whichever oil you have. Like I prefer to put the coconut oil since it's healthy. You can use any oil at your home. I flipped it. Now again after a minute, one more flip. See, it's now cooking very nicely. You can see the golden color everywhere. Just see, it's nicely cooked on both the sides. See, this side also is cooked very nicely now. Now it's ready to take it out in a plate. Let's take it out on a plate. See, the hot thali plates or the rotis are ready. This is very easy recipe. Since it's instant recipe, I don't prefer to do any chutneys. I put such chutney powder on the top because it's a busy morning and I don't want to do all chutneys and all with it. I just put this chutney powder. This chutney powder recipe is always already left in my description below. I've left it in my show. You can also enjoy this with coconut chutney. The coconut chutney recipe I have already shared in my channel. Enjoy this healthy, quick jowar breakfast that is done with the leftover rice. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if not yet subscribed. Bye.